Yo, my youth, how you look so happy?
Remember my brother who fly out the other day?
Yeah, man.
Them man there do good, you know?
Yeah?
And them man they say them will give me 2 guns for going lock off the streets. So right now, we are on the streets, you know?
Lock off street, you might find yourself in a lockup. Are the best your friend can do for you. Ask yourself if I really your friend that. When make your friend no go lock him gun for himself. Eh? A problem the man has sent you go put yourself in a suicide the man has sent you for go commit. You see if you plan to take them 2 guns there, my advice to you, you know, shoot your friend first. Cause him no want nothing good for you. Reason with your virgin man. Ask him, what the value of them 2 guns the way you send come give me? If you can send the cash come, might be me can do more than one business venture with it. Remember the liquor shop will lock down the street because the people them can't maintain it. You can use that same money there, open back the liquor shop, restock it, go in a business with you and your friend. You can put on a money for him. When him come, him can get a money. You can do good for yourself. Might be you can put a car up on the road for run taxi. So many things you can use the money there and do. But the gun thing now ain't gonna work out. The average gunman where you hear about or see about the place here. What the end result of them? And the same thing gonna happen for you. You gotta take out that the gun now, might be you come home with the gun. You not do nothing with the gun yet, you know. A police pull you over, find an illegal firearm on you. A 15 years that gone out of your life, 15 years them gonna lock you up. Might be by the time you come, house all afloat in the sky. You miss 15 years out of your life where you can't get back. The police might even kill you up on the spot and say a shootout. Let's say you come home with the gun, then what you plan to do with them? You have 2 guns where value might be over 500,000. I don't really know the value. But yet still, you don't have a bed for yourself. You don't have a room for yourself. So what sense that make? But if you plan to take the gun, might be you don't need the bed, might be you don't need the room because you have to go in up and hide in a bush. Might be the same man who send the gun them come give you after a while. You get too bad, him have to send a man come kill you and take back him 2 gun them. The man where him a send for deliver the gun, might be him know a man and say you know why you're a better man than them man. They go take them gun there from the guy there and shoot you and kill you. Me expect better than that from you, man. You see this way you have, don't make nobody use it for you now. The most powerful thing you, any youth man can possess, your mind. And it's a terrible thing for waste. Value your life. Do something productive, do something positive like me say. Talk to your friend because might be you can open up for him. Might be him only I see one way. Might be you can make him see things differently. But I would advise you, if him insist say, at the gun you forget, then you leave him out. You better you're there, I go and struggle, and at the end of the day, you make something good out of your life. More than take this gun thing, this nonsense, and ruin yourself.